Well, hello guys and welcome. It's Amanda here. Welcome to Arts and Wellness Cafe. And I haven't got my, I don't normally drink coffee, I drink cappuccino. But I normally have a cup of tea, 2 cups of tea, 1 green tea with plants from my garden and then just an ordinary cup of tea. So I get the best of both worlds. I still love my tea. Anyway, but today I've just got water in the studio. So, how are you? Thanks for joining me. As I say each week, it's today's session video recording is as if you just walked into my studio and we're just going to hang out for a little bit. Okay, so what have you been up to? I hope that you've been doing something that's creative and that you've been inspired this week. I like to think that you use up the days to the best of your ability. You know, like some people say, oh my gosh, it's the end of the week already, and it's like you're only on Tuesday. Or, oh my gosh, the day's nearly gone and it's just like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So let's look at the time that we have and make the most of the time that we have each and every day.